So to remove the mirror glass here, you're going to have to just pry it off. However, there are a couple things that you can do to help the process, one of which would be to get a pick or some tool that you can fit in there. And back here you'll see this tab, which is located, if you push the mirror down, it's located right behind here. Hard to see, but you can reach it with something narrow and long like a pick. Pull up, and this will hopefully unlock some of the top part of the mirror, and then you can continue prying it. So, there we go. Just like that. And then continue prying it out. Here's the old glass. On the back side, you'll see it has this tab here. Your new mirror should come with it, not assembled, so we'll have to assemble it, but note which direction this is facing, and you don't want to put the tab in the wrong way. Now take the tab that the mirror comes with, and you're going to want to put it in here like this. So basically, the L shape needs to slide into the slot, and then the bend at the end needs to face inward toward the inner part of the mirror. So slide it in and press it, make it lock in. Now get all of these little tabs lined up with this part of the mirror. This is the plate with the motor behind it that tilts your mirror up and down, left and right, and you just have to line it all up. These tabs have to line up inside in the middle of these grooves, so keep that in mind. And once that's all lined up, very gently, because you don't want to break your brand new mirror, press it. There we go. It should lock on. Sometimes it'll require quite a bit of force, but it shouldn't move around. It shouldn't be floppy. It should be nice and well mounted. And now you can get in the vehicle, adjust your mirror, take it for a road test.